IP address. In order to deliver data to a specific computer, something like a mailing address is needed. All computers connected to the Internet need to have some kind of information to identify themselves. A 32-bit IP address serves as this identifier in communication using TCP/IP. IP addresses are managed by an organization called the NIC, Network Information Center. All computers connected to the Internet are assigned different addresses. IP address is made up of a network address part and a host address part. The network address part indicates the network the computer is connected to. The host address part identifies each of the computers connected to the network. Because of this, sufficient digits are needed to cover all of the computers in the network. However, the field for the network address part and the host address part is only 32 bits long, so if the host address part is increased, the network address part has to be decreased. If the network address part is decreased, then the number of networks that can be connected will decrease. Networks connected to the Internet vary from giant networks, with tens of thousands of machines, to very small networks, with only a few machines. Because of this, there is no need to give a network an IP address that will uniquely identify all of the many computers. The host address part of the IP address is classified into three types. Class A for giant networks, 24 bits equals 16,777,214 machines. Class B for medium-sized networks, 16 bits equals 65,534 machines. And Class C, 8 bits equals 254 machines. The type is assigned according to the network size. In addition to classes A, B, and C, there is also the class known as Class D, and this is used for the special purpose known as multicast, one-to-N communication. As shown in the figure, the IP address is divided into four 8-bit groups. After that, each group is converted to decimal, and then separated using a period as a delimiter. Also, because the IP address is divided into the network address part and the host address part, it is necessary to indicate how many bits are used for the network address part. In order to achieve this indication, a subnet mask is used. For example, in the case of a Class C address, the network address runs from the leading bit to the 24th bit, so in order to indicate this, the value 255.255.255.0 is used.